Well, first of all, I wanted to just say that at least from the perspective of the program committee, how excited we are about this initiative by Raul. And obviously from the scope and scale of it, it's quite an enormous project. But on the other hand, it's a project that is in keeping with the large-scale aspirations of the World Academy, which is to be global scope with a focus on the vital problems confront humanity. I realize that a huge amount of what will transpire is obviously technically suitable to science in rather rigorous disciplines, but it also seems clear to me that almost all of the insights that can be generated from multiple aspects of this project are projects that have global social consequences and pose important challenges for global policymaking. Now, there is one aspect of this that looks at governance and how we unpack the complexity of governance at multiple levels in global society, and the particular question of how we can understand this process, help to improve it, and thereby also improve the human prospect for the future. So I think this has enormous potentialities for the future work of the Academy, and I think the Program Committee agrees with that. I would like to just add a few random thoughts as well. It struck me that in looking at models of different domains represented by Raul, communication is a critical factor here, and a better understanding of communications theory is important. And when we contextualize communications theory, we can get a better handle on its social consequences and policy implications from the local to the global. So, and some of our participants may not be aware that one of the influential fellows of the Academy and the former president is actually considered to be one of the founders of modern communications theory. And while that theory has been applied largely to social process and power process and governance, it has broader implications for many other components of modern scientific networks. So we're all very excited about this project, and I think we ought to thank Raul for taking the initiative. And we will be dependent on our fellows to come forward where they have particular areas of expertise to lay firmer foundations upon which we can build. That's all I have to say. Thank you.